Projects are listed in the Home tab, which is always the first tab. Double-clicking a project opens it in a new tab. Projects contain workflows. The top-level Projects menu and the Context menu in the Home tab are equivalent. There are various commands, for example, to create a new project, or to rename a project. Obsoleting a project is a soft form of deletion. The project still exists and can be unobsoleted again. To delete the project permanently, an admin user should use the Help, Troubleshooting, Disk Space menu. Project remarks are a place for any short textual notes. These are shown in the Projects tab. Optionally, Markdown formatting can be used. Projects can easily be shared between multiple users on the same system. By default, only the user that creates a project has access. Admin users have access to all projects. A project title image can be selected from your files or assigned from the workflow results. A small black triangle control in the corner toggles optional view settings. A filter box allows searching projects by name. Checkboxes toggle a more compact list and show or hide the obsoleted and archived projects.